Right, very good morning to all our viewers, and we have Karthik with us today. Morning, Karthik.
Good morning, sir.
All right, it's been a while since we've seen you. So, congratulations, and first up.
Yeah,
So,
thank you.
going good. I don't need to ask how you're doing. So, I think it's look all upbeat now. Okay, wonderful. So, would you like to just introduce yourself? We can begin there.
My name is Karthik, and I'm from Hoskote, Bangalore. And I completed my engineering in a background of electronics and communication in the year of 2021. And I have experience as an QA analyst for 1.3 years and in the company Network Technologies. And then I did a course in DataMites and also intern as a data science intern consultant. And then I'm working as a data analyst now. And I got selected, but I can't say it is 90% it is sure, and 10% I left because I need to receive my offer letter from Sirpi and also HR discussion from Prudent. So there are some pending formalities.
Okay, sure. All right. Okay. So, this is a role that is within Bangalore.
One is within Bangalore, Sirpi it is in Hipal, and
Okay.
then Prudent it is from Hyderabad.
One is in Hyderabad. All right. Okay. I
Yes.
think maybe if it might, maybe it's just me. I think the volume is a little low on your side. Could you adjust the mic somewhat?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. It should be better. Okay. So, you passed out like a couple of years back, Karthik, your graduation.
Yes. It was on 2021.
2021. Okay, all right. So that's okay. That was that COVID time also, and you had a few. Okay,
Yes.
all right. So from there onwards, did you already worked before DataMites and before data science?
Yes. Before DataMites, I was working in other domains like QA analyst, like quality assurance
Anyway,
engineer.
so right. Okay. Okay. So your background was in mechanical, or it was computer
Electronics
science,
and communication.
electronics and communication. Okay, nice. All right. Okay. So, any particular reason for switching? You always like the idea of
Because I was thinking to become a data scientist from the start of my career itself. So what I thought is to become a data scientist, I need to deepen my knowledge in Python and everything related to data science. So I thought like getting a job and simultaneously go through a course and then gain some knowledge and proceed with my career switching. But I had some personal issues and I came back to Bangalore and then I opted this course from DataMites.
okay, sure, all right, and yeah. So what was that like? Because you had always had a very clear idea that the data science was for you. So,
Yeah.
in terms of the course, what was your expectation, and how did that align?
Yeah, I was expecting like, okay, I'm going to learn something here. And then the teaching was pretty good, and also I learned many things from it, like soft skill, like how to speak, and also how to like maintain my voice tone, and also how to present myself to the interviewer. And also I learned many things from Nisar sir also regarding AI, many things. And also, there were many faculties were helping me to understand better on machine learning models and also help with for my projects also.
Okay,
And
all right.
also, it was very good, great experience learning here.
All right. So and you came in as someone pretty new to programming, or you had some exposure previously?
Uh, like I had some exposure, but not that pretty much. Coming here, I got some more exposure to programming.
Okay. And did you take to it very naturally? Did you practice a lot? what was your take on that?
Yeah, I did some practices also, and also I was going through conceptually and also simultaneously implementing those things in coding also, like machine learning models and also AI concepts, everything. So I was doing simultaneously, like practically and also theoretically, I was preparing both.
Okay. Yeah. So that's something that yeah, the viewers would also be interested in terms of a study routine that you develop, and how do you take what you're learning from, let's say, a program that's going on, and
Mhm.
how do you supplement that? How do you work around that?
Sorry?
In terms of the coursework, when you're practicing, what other things
Okay.
are you doing alongside that?
Alongside that, I used to see what and all like AI is impacting to the world, whether it is giving something to the humanity or taking away from the humanity. And then, like, how can I say? I was usually following some blogs or YouTube channels to gather what and all the AI is doing to humanity. So I could understand, okay, there was, I could understand that there would be two possibilities. That is, using AI, the world could be a utopia, or it might be go towards a Terminator world like that.
Is the ethical side of things, and or
Yeah,
you
yes,
found all that interesting. Okay, all right.
yes.
So, but somewhere you were also keeping in touch with the trends, and did you use a bit of networking? Did you find LinkedIn
Yeah,
useful?
yeah. I was using LinkedIn. It was very helpful also by using LinkedIn because I got many tips from LinkedIn posts and everything. And also, I asked everyone like through connections for reference and all. But unfortunately, I didn't get much connection through those people. But I could connect with people and also I could discuss with them. So and then
Right.
LinkedIn was very helpful to grow like my what thinking of the way of interview and also to learn conceptual wise also.
Sure. Okay. We'll come back to the interviews. So you mentioned the projects, and somewhere when towards the later half also, okay, somewhere these things do connect, because a lot of the interviews, they ask you about the projects. Was that the case here?
Yeah, they used to ask some interviews they were asking about the project and also they go deep inside, like what and all models I used and what and all practices I used and also how the approach I was using to analyze the data. So most of them they were going through my projects only.
Okay, right. So if they tested your the concepts in terms of
Yes,
what you applied.
yeah,
Okay, all right. This was a teamwork. What the projects you had done, or you had worked alone?
yeah. It was teamwork itself. Like what I used to do, it is I used to separate like split my split the work like data processing and feature engineering and feature selection. I used to separate within my team, and then if any doubt was there, we used to regroup and discuss within ourselves so that we can understand more about the data and also simultaneously we can understand what data is speaking to us and also how we can improvise our code and also how to enhance our skills towards these things. And then after feature selection, we together sit and then we will feed to the machine learning model and evaluate the performance of the model. And accordingly, we used to tune the model.
Okay, very nice.
I used this
So
approach.
you've been through the drill now.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Lakshita wants to know, did you get any help from the placement team at DataMites regarding the resume building?
Yeah, I got pretty much help from them regarding like before and all. I had 4 pages of my resume. If you open my resume, it would be you can print a book from that. Like that, it was very lengthy, and then they asked me to cut short those unnecessary things or which were not required for the recruiter. And then I refined according to the what they told me, and it helped me a lot.
Okay, all right. Um, how you got, okay, what were your opportunities like from DataMites? How many interviews did you take from the placement?
Uh, I took it was like per day I would receive at least one requirement, or it may go two or three maximum. I would get three per day, and then based on the updates or the because from their side I have to get the update right. So it depends on the client. I mean
Right.
the company. So I would get at least one or maximum three from your side
Okay,
requirement.
all right, great. So, um, Vinod wants to know, can you share the interview experience from the company? Okay, I think you talked about how they asked about your projects in detail.
Yeah.
Anything else that you would like to share?
More than that, they would see how confident you are and how you're speaking, and also how technically you are speaking. Like not much technical, like you have to use layman language so that they have to understand. Okay, you know concept also, and also you can explain to a non-technical stakeholders.
In simple words.
Yeah, in simple words. So you need to develop those skills, and also we have to prepare for the unexpected also. If you are like if they are put it in the JD Python statistics, and they may ask you about SQL or Excel also, like based on your resume. So you have to learn what you know, what you put it in your resume, prepare according to the resume, not according to the JD. Just prepare according to your resume, and you can ace the interview.
Very nice. Okay. All right. I think entry level packages, Navina, usually range about 5 to 6 lakhs. Yeah, in terms of, there'll be that what you can say a bit of a tolerance limit that you can put for any kind of an average figure, depending on market circumstances and what you can offer. But yeah, that's the ballpark. Suchita wants to know, how do you crack mock interviews, Karthik?
Mock interviews, like whatever we learn throughout the course, those things only would be asked, and also you can enhance your skills through watching YouTube or blogs, and that would be not a crime. And what mock interviewers would expect is whether he grasped the concepts of what they teach, they taught, and also they see how confident you are and whether you are eligible to crack the interview, or like they must want to get the confidence. Okay, he can go through the process of for the company like that.
Okay, great, wonderful. All right. So this is as a role you have you already inquired with the company, like what is going to be your role all about, or which
Yeah, they
project?
said like which project. No, they didn't reveal about the project. They said
Okay.
I would be working on the data visualization or data processing or modeling or deployment. They said like multiple things, and they'll be giving me the role like which is suitable accordingly.
Very nice. Right. So somewhere there is a team already. You have
Yeah,
you met them?
no, I didn't meet them yet.
Okay. So it's I think you're yet to okay. So this is wonderful. I think April is where the all the action will begin.
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Um, yeah. So I think you've seen your fair share of ups and downs as well, Karthik. So this it's a well deserved that finish line that you have, and in terms of opportunities, I think many more should open up going forward, right?
Yeah.
So, any parting words, any advice you have for people coming through, starting in with analytics, data science?
What advice I want to give it is just keep updated yourself to the current trend, and also just follow LinkedIn or YouTube or whatever site you are in. Just go through what, like if you search whatever related to AI, it will give you related to AI that because the algorithm is built like that only. So just uh, be in the trend. That's it.
Okay, wonderful. All right. Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best. Thank you for being with us here today.
Thank you.